4 days only. We should go in.
How come?
It's the 4th year anniversary. Also giving 4 times the stage points on the Leisure Content app. Let's go!
Last one. Guys, we gotta go on this one. Takes you way up, then turn you drop.
Oh, let's go on the Pirates Coast first. Okay, I got it. We go racing first.
Come on, Leon. We both know we're gonna beat you in racing.
You two are so slow. Let's go outdoors. We can ride the rap battle, super slingshots, or the angry coaster.
Guys, we will do them all. It doesn't matter which one we start with.
Yeah. We had an amazing day at Beirdz Doha Festival City.